Did you forget your Windows account password? Don't worry. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can remove your Windows account password without losing any of your data. Before we begin, I want to tell you that this video is for educational purposes only. And if you use this for any malicious purposes, I am not responsible for any illegal activity you are doing. I'm Abram and you're watching Random Shashi, and without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Before we begin, we'll be requiring another Windows 10 PC and a USB drive to do the password reset. The first thing you have to do is to use a working PC and go to the link given in the description and download the LazySoft Recovery Suite Home Edition. It is free to download and is compatible with Windows 7, 8 and 10. I have already downloaded the setup file to save time. Now you have to go and double click on the setup file to run it. After the setup has been done, make sure to check the launch application and click finish. What we are going to do is to burn a bootable recovery USB disk. For that, click on the first option, burn USB disk. The first step is to select the Windows version of your target computer. Mine is Windows 10 64-bit, so I'm gonna select it and click next. We're going to be writing it to a USB drive, so I'm going to select the option USB flash. Now what you have to do is to plug in your USB drive. As you can see, I already have a USB drive plugged into drive F, and I'm going to select drive F and click next. Now it's going to show a loading screen, and make sure your computer is connected to the internet for it to download the required files. After the download has been completed, a prompt will show up that will tell you that your USB disk will be formatted. Click yes to continue. This step is going to take a lot of time. I'm going to fast forward it to save some time. After that's done, click finish. Our bootable USB drive is now ready to use. Let's just make sure that the bootable USB is written properly. As we can see, we have the boot files inside the USB drive. That means we are ready to go. Now eject the USB drive and plug it into your target computer. Now let's go back to our target computer. As you can see, we are still stuck on the login screen because we still don't know the password. Now plug in the USB drive and shut down your computer. The next step is different for different computers. What you have to do is to get into the boot menu. In my case, it's the F9 key. It could be different for you guys because it differs from different manufacturers. What you have to do is to boot into the password recovery USB. In this list, it's the SanDisk USB. After that, you will be presented with this screen. You have to select the first option, LazySoft Live CD. You have to wait some time for the LazySoft Recovery Suite to boot up. After it's booted up, you will be presented with this screen. You will have to select the option Password Recovery. From the drop-down menu, select Reset Windows Password and click Next. And press Yes to confirm. Make sure the option is set to Reset Local Password and click Next. Now what you have to do is to select the account for which you have to remove the password and click Next. Now we can simply remove the password by clicking the reset/unlock button, and there will be a prompt that the password has been reset successfully. Now you can click finish and click on the reboot button to restart your computer. Now after the computer has been booted up, as you can see, there is no password on this account, and you can simply click the sign in button and you will be taken to the desktop. Other than the password, no changes has been made to your account and all your data is intact. That's it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon so you wouldn't miss any awesome tech videos that I upload.